Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, you'll be learning 2 ways of cleaning the king crab legs, the wrong way and the correct way. And the most importantly, how to cook crab legs with tofu and a little bit of the salted egg yolk sauce, which might not be the most common sauce that's in your fridge, but it's so tasty and creamy. You will want to recruit it in your sauce army right after this episode. Let's get started. As you probably already noticed, I was trying to tackle this king crab legs using a spoon, which is definitely not the right tool nor the starting point. You can see my struggle here. I can get a little bit of the meat, but the meat is all like broken down. It's not in the huge chunks, which you might want it in your dish. But it's oh, look at me! I got a new tool and I'm trying to kind of hammer it down and break the legs, but it's not working that well. All right, looks like we're using scissor, and finally we're getting somewhere. But based on my struggle here, you can see it's not the most efficient way to cut a leg. Yep. And of course, I went back to my original first tool using a spoon, tried to crack it down. It's not working very well either. Well, yes, you can get a good chunk of the meat, but the amount of time you've spent on this one single leg, it's just not the most efficient way of doing it. And let's now demonstrate how you should be doing it. And let's invite our sous chef Wayne to demonstrate how you should be doing it. Step 1. Pick up the crab leg with both hands. Step 2. Apply pressure to the crab's major joint with your hands, crab tools, or miscellaneous table items. Crab legs have 4 sections with 3 joints to break. After every section is broken down, step 3 is run your scissor down the soft side of the shell in one sweeping motion. You could use your crab zipper if you don't have one. You could even use a fork if you don't have a kitchen-used scissor. And step 4 is to run your scissor on the other side, so you can easily just disarm the shells, and there you go. Comes with a good chunk of crab meat. And step 5 is to repeat all the previous steps until you get all the meat out of the shell.
I don't think you were cracking them right. I think we have a little bit different standards for crack. Look at this. Huh? Jazzy?
Whoa!
Jesus Christ. It's like squirting all over. How did I learn how to clean out all this? Am I doing it? Just don't be a bitch. I have a high tolerance to pain, so when I was younger, it didn't bother me to learn how to do it, so I picked it up when I was little. It didn't really bother me. This one, yeah, this one is I will, just for you. For the video. Doop. Doop.
Alright, now that we've passed the most difficult part, which is to clean the king crab legs, now we have our crab meat, we have tofu, and oyster sauce, salt and pepper, and the most important ingredients, salted egg yolk sauce. Let me zoom in. Salted egg, actually called paste. Well, you get the idea. In a large frying pan, medium heat, put in 2 teaspoons of the salted, well actually 3, more like 4. Okay, put 4 teaspoons of salted egg paste and just kind of spread them around. And then added the cutted tofu. It could be cubes. Could be any shape you want, and just mix them together. Almost like coated your tofu chunks with this salted egg paste. Give them some little, give them a little color. I think why this dish was invented is probably because the color of the tofu looks really like the crab meat, which is white. And then you got those salted egg yolk sauce really resemble the eggs in the crab, what we called coral in the eggs, those bright orange color stuff. And we added 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce just to enhance the flavor. And the natural taste of the oyster sauce is a little bit sweet, a little bit on the seafood side. I see people are asking, do I have to use oyster sauce? Can I replace it with soy sauce? So those two, although they do have the similarities, I would say some saltiness, the oyster sauce does have a unique taste, which is irreplaceable. Season with salt and pepper. And towards the very end, almost when you finish cooking, you just dump all our crab meat to the tofu mixture, because the crab meat is really already cooked. And ta-da! With some decorations, you got a crab. Oh, yeah, don't forget about the eyes. Definitely some coffee beans. Coffee bean-eyed king crab legs with tofu with salted egg yolk. Alright friends, if you haven't done so, just smash that subscribe button, turn on notification bell, click like, and leave comments below. What is your favorite way of cooking king crab legs? Thanks for watching, it's Jia here, we'll see you next Friday. Okay, a little bit nuance for this episode is I figured if I stay on this screen long enough, you guys might be able to click that subscribe button, right? I'm just gonna wait here until I guilt you into subscribe. And now.